In this video, I'll show you how to install Docker Desktop on a Windows machine, as well as how to integrate it with WSL, so that we can access Docker application from within the Ubuntu subsystem. Docker is a popular open source platform for building, shipping and running software applications in containers. Containers provide a lightweight and portable way to package software and its dependencies, making it easier to move applications between different environments. To get started, please follow the link provided in the GitHub repo. In the opened window, please scroll a bit down, then select the download link. The process can take a while, so I'll pause the video to save some time. It has completed, now open the file and follow the installation wizard. I don't need shortcut on my desktop, so I'll untick this option and click OK. The installation has completed. Let's close this window and open Docker Desktop from the Start menu. Accept the agreement. And then give some time for the Docker to start. Now it's started, let's go to the settings. On the General tab, make sure that the Use WSL tool option is selected, and then go to the Resources section. Select WSL integration and enable the Docker on Ubuntu. And then click Apply and Restart. Now the Docker has restarted. Let's start Ubuntu to confirm that the Docker is installed. Type Docker version. And it's run successfully. That's it. We've just installed Docker Desktop on our Windows, as well as Ubuntu subsystem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.